Nah. No, his bird's eating another bird. Yeah, we got a bunch of other birds waiting to get in line. Oh shit, car! Oh, we almost had another meal on the fucking road. Jesus. Oh no, not this monster. Oh god, oh fuck, what the fuck? What the fuck is this motherfucker doing? Holy shit! Oh my god, he's hungry. Oh man. Fuck. This guy's just getting encroached upon. Oh, he's screaming! He's scaring the other birds away! Yo, that bird just for you, huh, homie? Oh god. Oh, another one's coming in. He's dragging the bird away from the little bird. Oh, you got flesh in your mouth and shit. Oh, he's being surrounded by the little birds now.
Oh, are we gonna eat the seagull now?
Oh, Come on, little birds. Fight him, fight him, fight him. Oh, it's about to go down. Oh, it's about to go down. Come on, get in there, come on. Oh, he's got a little pack,